And therefore, the longest distance, we'll call it r, which represent the hypotenuse. So what the Pythagoras theorem state in mathematical form is that the squared of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squared of each side. So meaning the sum of the squared of x and the squared of y. Now, all that we need to do is to let's compute this in terms of this triangle over here. So we'll have sine of theta being the opposite of our hypotenuse. We know that the opposite of this theta refers to the y, and therefore opposite will be y over the hypotenuse r, so it will be y over r. And then the cos theta will be adjacent, which just means the side next to the angle in question, which is theta. So it'll be x over the hypotenuse r. Tan would be y over x. So these in this episode are the trig ratios that we're going to be focused on. Okay, so now we're going to look at the trig identities, right? So trig identities, we have two that we're going to be focused on, and the first one is the quotient identity. Okay, quotient identity is the tan of theta equals to the sine of theta over the cos of theta. To compute this, we now have to put this in this trig ratios, right? So we know that the sine of theta, according to this over here,